Good morning and Jai Hind. Lightning, not the lighting. We know the difference, right? Lighting is useful to us in our day-to-day life to illuminate our houses, the commercial complexes, the industries. So it's useful, and nowadays it is essential part of our life, but not the lightning. Lightning is not useful to us, rather whenever it occurs it brings lot of damages. लाइटनिंग शायद हम सभी ने या तो एक्सपीरियंस किया है कभी ना कभी या सुना तो है कम से कम, especially during the rainy seasons. So let's try to understand what's the lightning is, how it forms and it happens, the phenomena of lightning. Lightning is a naturally occurring electrostatic discharge. Electrostatic discharge, I believe at least the electrical engineers know about well, though all of you have learnt about during your study of physics in the schooling, 11th and 12th standards. So lightning is a naturally occurring electrostatic discharge during which two electrically charged regions in the atmosphere or ground temporarily equalize themselves. They try to equalize जो बादलों में इलेक्ट्रिकली चार्ज्ड रीजन फॉर्म हुआ है ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम और जो जमीन पे ग्राउंड सरफेस पे हुआ है, एट सम इंस्टेंट ऑफ टाइम they try to equalize themselves, causing the instantaneous release of as much as energy to cause severe damages. तो सादी भाषा में अगर हम बात करें तो ये एक नेचुरली ऑकरिंग फिनोमिना है और ये कैसे होता है, इट इज वेल एक्सप्लेन्ड हियर. आई बिलीव ऑल द इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर्स कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड. मे बी लिटल टाइम टेकिंग फॉर other engineers to understand, but please try to understand this phenomena, though it is not of direct relevance to any one of us, but it imparts us the underpinning knowledge because we provide the lightning protection systems, right, in various प्लेसेस. तो हमें इसके बारे में थोड़ा पता होना ही चाहिए कि कैसे बनती है लाइटनिंग एंड व्हेन it is seen by us. It's not seen daily in all the regions, but कभी ना कभी हमें सुनाई देती है और इसके जो सीवियर डैमेजेस हैं that makes us remember probably for the lifetime. Let's see a picture. Here we can see the clouds, negatively charged cloud, and we can also see here the positively charged ground surface or the earth surface, and at a specific period these negatively charged clouds and the positively charged surface of the earth tries to equalize and results in lightning. which causes severe damages. Thank you for today, and we will continue with such electrical engineering concepts to strengthen our underpinning knowledge. Thank you. Bye bye.